Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. Today I just bought this clutch, which is no brand, but it's looks good like a Bottega design. So I'm gonna recommend to you. And so let's look at before unboxing, let's look into the description and also pictures. So if you can see 66 units, then the one I bought is type C. Okay, but there's another like type A and also type B and D. Okay, the size, then the description. Okay, some of the pictures. This one also I bought actually long time ago, and this is the one that I had. Okay, this is another version. Okay, so that's it for the I will leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy. So let's unboxing. So this is the dust bag. It does come with a dust bag. Okay, we put it aside. So this is the look of the bag, and return week from the insurance card. Okay, now the back you can see the details. It's very nice, like a Bottega design. The handle. Zip. And behind is the same thing. Okay, things like that. So it's the same thing. Behind it's the stitch. So this is behind and front. Okay, so if you hold it, it will be like this, and if we open it from inside, there's a strap also being given. Right, it doesn't look like a leather, but it looks like leather, but like a fox leather, of course. And the inside of the bag, zip. Oh no, nothing. That's not it. And then the pocket. So it's like that. That's it. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye.